My people are now welcome to this channel. This story and now about Mercy Johnson. Yes, that actress with the art film na her matter na carry come. I hear say this lady don't call out her daughter teacher. The daughter will talk about na purity. With the claim say this teacher just did they bully her daughter anyhow. And say this teacher now she go just did they pour hate on the daughter. Because say wait say because she no like her. That is she where they act Mercy Johnson. And because of that one, now waiting make her they bully the pikin. My people never watch this one. They can follow me watch.
Online saying that I came with thugs, I beat up the head teacher, and I'm like, I've not met you before, ma. Yes, but not. Did I come with thugs yesterday? Did I meet you yesterday, ma? Last week, 2 weeks ago, I told you Miss Blessing. Since I came here, you don't hear me and anybody talk, any argue. My children's teachers they know I don't like trouble. I wear my nose mask with my bathroom slippers. I pick my children, I go house because I don't get power. The remaining power where the matter person don't born 4 children, not to manage them until they grow. The person no go die. No be laughing matter, na serious thing. So when I came 2 weeks ago, I just asked her something. She said, please excuse me. And I said, sorry. So I went to the next teacher and asked, please, where is the library? They said Purity was there reading, so I can pick them. So when I got home, as God is faithful, I told my husband, I said, I met with one of the teachers. Said she was really mean. My husband said, you know your kind of work. Some people like you, some people not like you. I was fine. Only for me to pick Purity yesterday, as the people were announcing on microphone. She was crying. I said, what happened? She said, Mommy, that teacher. No, she said, Mommy, can I change school? I said, no. I had a video of her. I interviewed her also, so I can explain to you what happened. So guys, I'm just saying this because I don't have... Don't worry. Yeah, sir, you were there yesterday when this issue happened. Sorry, sir, you were there yesterday. Please, sir, did I come with talks to this school?
Talks? No.
Are you people hearing that? Did I fight anybody in this school?
No.
Did I see the principal, the headmistress yesterday?
No, the head teacher
was not on seat.
Just stepped out.
Thank you very much, sir. When my husband came, did we come with any talks?
No.
Okay. Are you people hearing that? It's because people don't know. Somebody went online and said I came with talks and I beat up the head teacher because we have money.
No.
That's what I'm saying. That's the hate.
No.
You don't know the truth. You will not keep quiet. And then you start to lie. On my honor as a mom.
Hope say una don hear wetin she talk. And she dey claim say for 2 weeks straight. Now this pikin don dey complain. Say the teacher go even dey make mouth. They talk say all the celebrity children na so they be. Say they know they get respect. They always misbehave. Say because their parents are celeb. They will come there with that kind of mentality. And say as e be, she know her pikin purity. She know they behave like that. Her pikin na good pikin. Even from the school where she come out, the pikin know they misbehave. So why be saying now teacher will come they transfer aggression or what if pikin no? And make her come shock on. This teacher wey we dey talk about, she no even be the girl class teacher. She go just carry her arm about busybody, come out from her own class, go enter this girl class just because say wetin she won't complain. Now wetin make this teacher dey come outside now? Now we dey deliberate on this one. We dey talk say okay, this one wey Mercy talk, we suppose support her. Parent, teacher no suppose dey behave like this. Now there one lady, I don't know, be na the teacher. I been na accomplice. Maybe for the school they don't talk say okay, teacher no suppose post on social media. Now there this auntie self come carry come outside. Say everything where Mercy talk say na lie. Say she dey there when this kind thing happen. Say na Mercy na send her daughter to go the school to go fight. One, this one make na put this on one side because I know just any reasonable parent go time pikin say make him go school go fight. And say na so they do so take for the Purity previous school. Say na so Mercy they do wahala. So she go carry this her demental attitude. Make na underline that statement what I just talk now. Demental attitude. She go carry her come the school, come they misbehave. And say as e be, Purity self herself say the girl no even get respect for anybody plus teacher or plus student or if teacher beat her, she go beat her own back. I come dey wonder, is this one true? But wetin come make me realize say this girl dey lie on top of the whole matter. She talk say fine and good, say Purity and one other student fight. Say they come say make Purity beg, say apologize. So Purity come use one statement say, I was never taught to apologize. Now small pikin talk this one. Now there I know say this madam, now you be the biggest liar in Africa. I beg which small pikin go fit form this kind of statement. Say she was never taught to apologize. And with any small town and no pikin, they didn't even carry matter for head. If not be parents, be say they always carry this thing. Me, I reason I say this girl now just one kind hater. Person will be say she dey very jealous of Mercy Johnson. Now wetin make she come go there, go there right? Say even Mercy Johnson carry thugs come the school. Oh, now here when this lady clarify herself for the video, say she even when she carry the talk, they say she carry talk. The principal where they say they beat the person no even there around. So who at all these people come go there go beat? But if say na me be Mercy Johnson, in fact, I for she teach this Nancy a lesson, a very big lesson. One, for calling me and my daughter a demental, what is I going to use? Say we get demental attitude. I for even carry that one as one matter. Because it means say me and my pikin with a crest. Now what you mean not be that? She can't even use another word say you brought this stupid character. It means that my pikin now be stupid character. Oh, they can't fight. So be say me and you go fight. You go even regret. I go make sure say me I first sue you because you don't go just come. Because say you want train, you go come do video, they talk rubbish online. And you don't go even reason me. The kind thing I go show, if you even carry phone to even respond for person comment, you go fear. But make we just look and say, Mercy get good heart. Now where she they pity you, she they try clear the ex. Okay, all this one no happen. But until Mercy, I still they give you the advice. So this lady carry her go so that next time she go get sense. My people, now here I go end this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. It don't happen, oh my people. Hey, this one they come all the way from Benin Republic. I hear say their parliament for there they don't legalize abortion. And I know say this thing now people don't they deliberate say, okay, oh, some people they are abort pikin I be make the deliver. Now they are come here say these people call decide okay make people go vote to know whether they won't accept them I be they no go accept them. And as it be majority decide say make them accept them. So this one are big news for Benin people because now women don't they free to terminate a pikin. My people beg make now join me watch.
A significant ruling for the women of Benin, as the country's lawmakers late on Wednesday voted to legalize abortion within the first 12 weeks of pregnancy.
Moi, je suis très contente que désormais on puisse retrocéder à la femme ce droit en fait de disposer de son corps et de décider pour elle-même.
Abortion was already authorized in Benin under restricted conditions. For instance, if the life of the mother was threatened by the pregnancy, if the pregnancy was a result of rape or incest, or if the unborn child had a severe anomaly. The new law now states that women can terminate a pregnancy within the first 3 months if it's likely to aggravate or cause material, educational, professional or moral distress incompatible with the woman or the unborn child's interests. Benin now joins a list of just 5 other African countries to hold relatively liberal abortion laws. Health authorities say the latest measures will help many women who find themselves obliged to risk their lives by using unsafe abortion methods.
Hey, this one a big celebration because I hear say some people they happy. But that one not mean say 9 months speaking you can't decide say you won't go abort them. I hear say now from within 3 months now you get the right to go abort your pikin. But I hear so many people they shout say why they go accept this kind of thing, why they go legalize, and for me it they okay and you know they okay. Because if you reason the complications of abortion, and I know so many people who don't die. And people don't die because of say they don't accept them. So people don't always fear to go meet doctor because they know say doctor no go agree. So many people now don't rush, they go quack people. But now when we say they don't legalize, at least anybody who knows say no feel more than any pikin, you go decide okay fine no, I know fit take care of this pikin. Make I go come out. And make we look at in the cases of where people where them rape, they can't get belly. And I know say those people no be by their chances, say they won't get belly. So all those ones now, if they decide say they won't come out, me I don't see anything bad inside. I know say so many people talk say their hand, they no want put hand inside killing. Say they inside Bible say make person no keep picking. I beg. If they inside Bible, why be say the rape itself? There's no reason as okay. If they inside Bible say you no suppose rape. Because me I don't see where person go come rape you, carry disease and things give you come decide say you want still born the pikin. Now why so many parents go say they could look their pikin with evilness, they beat them, they maltreat them. Because where they born this pikin from now a bitter side. So if the person feel make the decision, okay, oh, I don't want this pikin, it go there okay. But that one not miss all this our youngest now go carry in a nash, go they do garbage things up and down. Say they don't legalize and now if they get sex anyhow, not be waiting they talk. You will be saying you know say your belly. Now for a bad reason, I mean now from a bad reason now you take get and fine and good, you feel go there good one. But me I feel say this benefit they suppose even put still pull law. For this, they are this way they bring. Say at least make them know the reason why the person won't come out and first. And make them know how the person even get the pregnancy in the first place. If now say the person go they do, the thing can't get belly, make the person keep up. Now the person good, now the person punishment be that one. Because I know go see where you go they do to enjoy yourself. You can't just say okay as they don't pull law, I no go keep up. You go keep up by force by fire. So when people make a reason that law self join inside this or one put. And I hope say other African countries they go put this one like Nigeria and some other countries. Because you know say people they do this thing in the dark, they do and they hide them. Now just because they never legalize and wait to make everybody hide them. So if they legalize it could just make everything good and smooth. People go come outside, can't do it they won't do. Anyways, my people, now this story now here now make a bring and come. Make now stay tuned for our next story.